Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to look at how to install Sublime Text. You come to your browser and you search for Sublime Text. Sublime Text download. And then you click on the first link, download Sublime Text. I want us to download and install Sublime Text 4. This is the latest version, and I want us to install it into our machines. So you might be asking yourself, what is Sublime? Sublime Text is an IDE, meaning it is an integrated development environment which enables you as a programmer or as a developer to write your own codes, your own programming codes. Different. It might be Java, it might be HTML, it might be CSS, it might be Vue, it might be Python, any language, C, C++, and all. So we really want to be keen on the version we are going to select. So I want us to focus on Sublime Text 4, which is the latest and especially the latest build. Another thing to look at is to understand the type of a system that our machines are running. Is it a 64-bit machine or is it a 32-bit machine? So for my case, I'm using the 64-bit machine. If you want to know and understand what type of system you're using for your machine, you can just come to the start with the button. All right, then you can right click, you can come to system to give you a detailed information of your machine. Now my system type is 64-bit machine, as you can see here, 64-bit operating system. So the next thing we're going to do is you're going to come then on the official site and click on Sublime Text. Then you select on Windows. As it loads, so as you can see, it is downloading. We give it a little bit of time for it to finish. So our download is done, guys. Sublime Text 4. We can view where the folder is. Let me refresh that a bit. So here is our file, guys, Sublime Text. This is version 4107, build 4107, I believe so. So what we'll do after this is you double click on the installer. Double click on the installer and give the privileges. I'm actually doing this to show you guys because I've already installed it on my machine. So you click on Add to Explorer context menu, then Next. Then once you're done, you click on Install. All right? You click on Install. Well, I already have these in my machine, so probably it will not do much change. So once you're done with that, you come to the Windows search button, then you search for Sublime, and then click on Sublime Text. Then it will bring you to a page sort of this. So I've written down this code to actually show you guys how how it will appear once you've managed to install it in your machine. Now you can create a new file, come to File, New File, and we can save this file as an HTML file. Say test1. Test1.html. Then we try to type something. I believe you guys are following through. All right. The next thing HTML. I'm using caps, sorry for that. HTML, it fills in. The interesting thing about Sublime is it actually fills in the code for you. It's more of an autocode type of a software. So that was it, guys. Kindly make a point of subscribing. If you've liked and loved the information or the instructions I've shown you, kindly make a point of liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to this channel. Peace out. Till next time.